Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by today. For today's video, I have for you the Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. So if that sounds interesting to you, why don't we go ahead and get started? Alright, so as usual, they have the little magazine that tells you about the products that are in the box right here. So we'll go ahead and start with page 1. Looks like the first thing in here is a mascara, and it is definitely a mini size mascara right here. This is the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. It says, "Why you'll love it, like 2 mascaras in one, Milk's curved wand and pitch black formula expertly lift lashes, and if you add a few extra coats using the back of the curve, bring on tons of drama." Retail price $28 for the full size. Obviously this is a mini, so it's probably more like $12 if I had to guess. Where to buy it? milkmakeup.com. Enter Milk Loves Allure 22 at checkout to receive 15% off any purchase. Valid December 1st, 2022 through January 31st, 2023. Alright, good deal. Always excited to have a new mascara to try. And if I'm not mistaken, the past mascara I tried from Milk was pretty good. So, alright, next thing is Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in Triple Cherry. And this is full size, yep. So this is the box right here. You can't see any of the labeling on there because of my lighting, but well, if I hold it up, can you see it? No? It's too bright. Okay, well anyways, it's just in black lettering, nothing special, but here is the nail polish right here, and that is beautiful. That's the perfect shade of red for this month, for the holidays, and I need to paint my nails and my toenails, so this is perfect. Maybe I'll give this a try. Exciting. Alright, it says, "Why you'll love it, the best let me start over there. The best possible version of a classic red nail polish. This lacquer's rich, deep red shade is extra glossy. It's great for any occasion, a festive touch for all your holiday parties, and looks gorgeous on all skin tones." Retail price $16. Where to buy it? staticnails.com. Enter Allure 2022 at checkout to receive 20% off your order. Valid December 1st, 2022 through January 31st, 2023. Okay, alright, the next thing is a perfume oil. It's called by Rosie Jane Rosy Perfume Oil. So here's the box right here. And this is full size, right? Yes, 0.23 ounces. So yes, this is full size. And this is what it looks like right here. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, it has a roller ball on it. So I'm not going to put this on right now because I'm already wearing perfume and I don't know how it'll mix. So I'll go ahead and set that down. But I will definitely try this in the future. Alright, it says, "Why you'll love it, this trendy niche fragrance house out of California just reimagined rose perfume, and their take on the flower smells more like naked skin. Subtly warm and sexy, yet light and transparent than a garden. Here rose is mixed with musk, which is a buzzy ingredient in perfumery right now for its cozy warm quality. The delicate blend is delivered as a perfume oil with just 5 ingredients, including a sweetly warm coconut oil base. The result is a soft, comforting fragrance that'll have you sniffing your wrist again and again throughout the day." Alright, and retail price is $45. Where to buy it? By rosiejane.com. And enter Allure free ship at checkout to receive free shipping on any purchase. Valid December 1st, 2022 through February 28th, 2023. Okay, next up is the Mario Badescu Skincare Vitamin C Serum, and that comes in one of these little things, so it's definitely a mini. I'll go ahead and show it to you. It's just a little tiny cute little bottle right here. Alright, and it says, why you'll love it. Vitamin C is one of skincare's most beloved ingredients for its brightening antioxidant powers, but not all vitamin C is worthy of the hype. Mario Badescu Serum is one you can feel good about applying. It contains 2 of the most effective forms of the hero ingredient, an ascorbate and 3-0-ethyl ascorbic acid, both stabilized forms of vitamin C. It helps fade hyperpigmentation like sunspots, gives an overall glow, and wears beautifully under the rest of your routine. And even though it's potent, drastically fading the sunspots across one editor's cheeks and hormonal acne scars on her chin in about 1 month, it didn't irritate her sensitive skin or cause any redness. Very nice. Retail price is $45 for the full size. Where to buy it? MarioBadescu.com. Enter Allure 25 at checkout to receive 25% off any purchase. Valid December 1st, 2022 through January 31st, 2023. Alright, good deal. Let's see. Next up is a lip balm. It's called Dr. Pawpaw Overnight Lip Mask. So that's what that is right there, and that's full size. It says why you'll love it. The ultimate lip treatment. It's 4 natural oils and waxes, including sunflower seed oil and wax from the Candelia plant. I probably totally botched that, but sorry. Keeps lips smooth and hydrated even when they're prone to chapping in winter. The best of beauty winning magic is packed into a convenient tube, which means there's no messy pot to dip your fingers into. Retail price is $10.50. Where to buy it? Ulta.com. Enter Pawpaw25 at checkout to receive 25% off any purchase, valid December 1st, 2022 through December 31st, 2022. So that's only for the month of December. The rest of them go out farther. Alright, and then, oh, there's this thing in here that's not even on the thing, but it's a sample of Emuade. I have no idea, I've never heard of this before. It says, oh, it's a first aid ointment. Highly effective at treating severe skin conditions. This ointment is also powerful skin-changing beauty treatment as a versatile beauty balm and occlusive nighttime mask. A routine more commonly known as slugging. Emuade is the skin savior you can't live without. Okay, cool. So I'll check that out. It looks like there's several different uses for this, so I'll look into this. There's a lot more information on here, but I don't want to bore you guys because it's not really part of what's in the box, I guess. I think that was just an extra that got thrown in there. Okay, anyways, last but not least, we have the Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Nettle. So awesome, I can always use a dry shampoo, and I've been wanting to try that brand, so I'm excited. It says why you'll love it. Checks every one of our dry shampoo must-have boxes. It makes roots look and feel clean, never stiff or gunked up. It doesn't weigh down fine hair, and it's totally invisible even in dark hair. That's nice because I have a hard time with that with my dark hair. It says one editor has been known to use it daily to stretch a blowout all the way through the work week. Nice. Alright, retail price is $20, and this is full size, so retail price is $20. Where to buy it? ChlorineUSA.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off any purchase, valid December 1st, 2022 through March 1st, 2023. Okay, so it looks like that is everything. So let's go ahead and add up the value of the box, not counting the minis. I don't count the minis even though I know they're part of the value, but I just don't have the patience to sit here and try to calculate the value of what a mini is based upon what the full size price is. that requires math and calculating, and I don't feel like doing that right now. So we're not going to. Alright, the first thing that's full size is the nail polish right here, and that's $16. Okay. If I can get the pages to turn. They're sticking together here. Okay, next up is the perfume oil right here, and that is $45. Okay, that is not full size, so let's move on to the next page. Okay, and then we have the lip mask, and that is $10.50. And then we have the dry shampoo, and that is $20. So that makes our total $91.50. I'm sure with the minis that brings it up to the whatever value they claim it's supposed to be, 100, 125, 150. I can't remember. But I do know it's only a $23 box, and you get all of this for $23. So I say that's a good value. I'm happy with it. So that's not bad. That's what I was trying to say. I'm happy because this was a little bit more of a mixed box this month too. I got some makeup with the mascara. I got a little bit of skincare with the vitamin C serum and a lip mask. I got a perfume oil. Oh goodness. I got a nail polish. That's my first time to get a nail polish. And then I got hair care. So, and whatever this is, this first aid ointment thing here too, I don't think that counts as part of the value since it's not in the magazine, but it's a nice little extra bonus. So I am actually very happy with this box this month. I like the assortment that they gave us. It's not just all skincare. Not to say that I mind getting skincare. I always love getting skincare, but I do like it when they mix it up a little bit. So I'm very happy with this box. So yeah. So with all that being said, if you did like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. I am just a small channel out here trying to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm, and that is not an easy feat. So anything you can do to help me out, such as liking my videos, a thumbs down also helps, commenting, subscribing, sharing my videos, all of that helps out tremendously. So anything you could do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, I do currently have a giveaway going on when I reach 500 subscribers, which we're close, guys. We're just a little short of we're a little over 100 away right now, so we're getting there. We're getting there. I really want to draw this giveaway for you guys. So definitely please go and enter and, you know, share the video and help me out, help me get there. So, but anyways, with all that being said, I will make sure to link in the cards above the link for the giveaway, and it'll be down in the description box down below as well. It always is. As well as everything that I'm wearing on my face, that'll be listed down in the description box below as well. I did film this look. It should be going up shortly, so if it's not up before this one, it'll be up not long afterwards, so keep your eye out for that. Alright, so with all that being said, I think I covered everything, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great day or evening wherever you are in this world. I hope you're staying safe, I hope you're staying healthy, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye!